Hi friends, today I am discussing reasoning problems. In reasoning, we will get easily 5 marks or 5 to 10 marks if you know the logic. It is very simple. Simplest of the IBPS exam paper is the reasoning problems only. If you know how to deal with this type of problems, it is very easy. If you get confused and if you don't know how to do, it is a time consuming process and very difficult to solve this one. See friends, I will tell you how to do it. How we can identify whether it is a addition or multiplication or a subtraction or a division, I will tell you. Please remember it, then we will easily get the marks in the examination. See friends, the first problem is this one: 7, 10, 16, 28, and we don't know here. We have to find out this one. Then 100. See friends, what he has given: 7, 10, 16, 28, no, don't know. Here it is 100. See friends, first we have to find the difference between the numbers. See friends, the difference itself, it shows the way to get the answer. See friends, what is the difference here? 3. Here what is the difference? 6. Here what is the difference? 12. Then here we don't know. See friends, here we don't know. Then here also we don't know. See friends, you observe the difference: 3, 6, 12. Maybe next number what? 3 into 6, 12. 6 into, sorry, 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 2, 24. Maybe this number, see friends, maybe this may be correct. Then 24 into 48. If this series is okay, then answer is this. See friends, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 12, 28 plus 4, 24. Then this number plus this number equal to 100. See friends, 7 plus 3 how much? 10. Again what he has done? Into 2. Then 10 plus 16 how much? 16. Then what he has done, this relation? Into 2. See friends, then 12 plus 28, sorry, 16 plus 12 how much? 28. Then what is the relation here? Into 2. 12 into 24. See friends, into 2, into 2, into 2. 12 into 24. Then 28 plus 24 how much? 52. See friends, next is what he has given: 100. See here, 24 into 2 how much? 48. Then 52, 48 how much? 100. So answer is 52. Nothing is there friends. I have taken the difference. I have find the relation between the difference of the numbers. See friends, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. That means every time he is multiplying with 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. He is adding that. See friends, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 12, 28 plus 24, then 52 plus 48, 100. So this is the answer. Next problem. See friends, 4, 13, 23, 35, 50. See friends, 4, 13, 23, 35, 50. Next what? See friends, as I told you, here also difference is very less only. So you go for a difference. Here it is 9. Difference is 9. Here difference is how much? 10. See friends, here difference is how much? 12. Here difference is how much? 15. Then what is the difference here? See friends, you find the logic behind this. 9, 10, 12, 15. That means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, then plus 4. That means here 19 will come. What he has done? 4 plus 9, 13 plus 10, 23 plus 12, 35 plus 15, then 50 plus 19. Then what will come? 69. So friends, answer is 69. Nothing is there. Don't fear. Very simple. Go for a difference and find the logic behind that. Then easily we will get the answer. Next problem. See friends, see the difference. While seeing itself, we can know that it is not a addition, it is not a subtraction. It may not be a division also. Either it may be a multiple or maybe a square or maybe a cube. See friends, 9, 17, 81, 297, then we don't know, then 1809. See friends, what is the difference here? 9 is 7 difference, 8. 1781 difference. See friends, 1781 difference, 64. 81 297 difference, 216. Then here what is the difference? See friends, by seeing these numbers, we should know that these are the cubes. See friends, we have to learn squares, cubes and fingertips. If you keep those cubes and squares on our fingertips, very easy. See friends, by seeing itself, 2 cube, here 4 cube, here 6 cube, next what will come? 8 cube. See, even numbers cubes, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 cube how much? 5, 1, 12. What he is doing? 9 plus 8, 17 plus 64, 81 plus 216, then addition, 297 plus 512, then 297, 512 how much? 908, 809. So number is 809. So friends, we will cross check it whether it follows here or not. Here 8 cube is there. Then the difference between this is how much? It should be a 10 cube. See friends, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. It must be a 10. That means 1000. Go for addition. 809 plus 1000 how much? 1809. So this is correct. 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, 8 cube, 10 cube. He is adding even number cubes. So answer is 809. See friends, I told you, I am telling you again. Just observe the numbers, whether the difference is have, whether the difference is more or less. If the difference is more between the numbers, then definitely it should be either multiple or square or cube. If the difference is very less, it may be a addition or a subtraction. It may be sometimes division also. So friends, like this we can solve the problems. So answer is 809. See friends, next problem. See friends, 7, 20, 13, 26, 19. See friends, one time it is increasing and another time it is decreasing. Again increasing, again decreasing. See friends, if this type of series given, then definitely there should be a subtraction and addition. See friends, continuously increasing means addition. Continuously decreasing means subtraction. There may be a increasing and decreasing means definitely addition and subtraction should be there. See friends, 7, 20, 13, 26, 19, then what? See friends, what is the first we should write the difference. See friends, here difference is 13. That means plus 13. Then here difference is, see friends, here difference is minus 7. Again difference is plus 13. Again difference is 7. That means minus 7. See friend, here plus 13. Here minus 7. Again plus 13. Minus 7. That means here plus 13. See friends, plus 13 minus 7. Plus 13 minus 7. Then plus 13. 19 plus 13 how much? 32. So answer is 32. See friends, again I am telling you, if the series is increasing and decreasing means definitely there should be a addition or subtraction. It should be a addition or subtraction. And if the continuously it is increasing, it is addition. It is continuously decreasing, it is a subtraction. When the difference is very small, then only it is a addition or subtraction. If the difference is much, then there should be a multiplication or square or cube. So like this we have to solve the problem. See friends, now the answer is 32. Next problem, 7, 20, 46, 85, 202. See friends, 7, 20, 46, 85, 202. See friends, I told you here difference is more, then it should not be a addition subtraction. So there may be a chance for multiplication or cube or a square. First we will identify the difference. What is the difference here? 13. That means plus 13. Here what is the difference? 26. That means plus 26. Here what is the difference? 39 plus 39. Then what is the difference here? See friends, observe here the logic behind these numbers. 13 1 jar 13, 13 2 jar 26, 13 3 jar 39, then 13 4 jar 52. See friends, 13 4 jar 52. 13 table is adding. Then 85 plus 52 how much? 137. We will cross check, no problem. Then here 13 4 jar 52. Again here 13 5 jar 65. Go for addition. 137 65 how much? 202. So this series is the correct one. Then what he is doing? 13 table, 13 1 jar, 32 jar, 13 3 jar, 13 4 jar, 13 5 jar, like that he is going. Very simple friends. First we have to observe the difference, then we have to find the logic behind the difference. If the difference is more, then definitely it should be a multiplication or square or cube. Easily we will get the answer. Then answer is 137. Nothing is there, no, not much difficulty. Next problem, 4, 13, 40, 121, 1093. See friends, difference is much more. So definitely it should be a multiplication or a cube or a square. See, we know tables, so it is very easy. The numbers is 4, 13, 40, 121. We know the tables of the 4, 13, 40 also we know. See how it come? 4 into 3 plus 1, 13 into 3 plus 1, 40 into 3 plus 1, here 121 into 3 plus 1. Nothing is there. Simply we will identify. 121 into 3 how much? 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar 6, 3 1 jar 3 plus 1. Then 364. Answer is 364. See friends, we will cross check it. 364 into 3 plus 1. How much it is? 364 into 3 how much? 3 4 jar 12. 3 6 jar 18 plus 1 19. 3 3 jar 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 1093. See friends, nothing is there. First we have to identify the difference. So the difference is less or more. If the difference is much more, there may be a multiplication. If the difference is less, there may be a addition or subtraction. Here difference is more, then definitely it should be a multiplication. Here 4 into 3 plus 1, 13 into 3 plus 1, 40 into 3 plus 1, 121 into 3 plus 1, then it came 364. Then answer is 64. First we should come out from our fear. We should come out from our fear. Then only we can concentrate on the problems. If you think that it is easy, we can do it. If you think that it is difficult, we should not do anything.